So, hi people. This is my first video with my voice, and I'm hoping I'm not sounding like a dying horse. And also remember, my English ain't that good, so just please bear with me. Now, you're here to draw some hair, so we're gonna do that. So, let's not gap and get into it. Now, this bald boy right here wants us to make him look handsome, and we're gonna do that.
Don't you dare disappoint him.
Now, we're gonna give him a bowl cut. So for the start, just make a point on his head from where the hair is gonna fall down. Doesn't this look like a stomach on his head? Whatever. Okay, so draw the lines with a smooth edge, like with a smooth hand. Don't put too much pressure on it, otherwise the hair is gonna look constipated. Trust me. Draw the lines freely, don't put any pressure on it, like you're swaying your hand in that kind of sense. No, that's gonna give it a smooth kind of look. And for the edges, you can draw these W-like strands to make the ends of it, or you can, just draw hair like this as I'm showing. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, just W's. With that, we're gonna draw each of his strands starting from that very point. And don't make the hair look too stiff because it just ruins the face. Okay, just draw some rough strands, like a messy kind of appearance. Don't make it too straight or too curly. Like, make some curled strands also, but also make some straight ones as well, like I'm doing here. His hair looks like he's wearing a swimming cap, not gonna lie. Just make the hair and it's gonna look rough, I know it, and it's not even looking good right now, but you can just make some changes in it as you go, as I'm doing. Believe me, I erase the sketch 1,000 times and then I get finally satisfied. Right now, as I'm doing this video, I erase this IDK how many times. So just make the rough sketch and then make changes on it. Here I'm just making a little changes, so let's just watch that in silence, I guess. So our bold boy didn't approve his hairstyle. Now he wants Levi's hairstyle. He can't compete with him. This make an upside down curved tick on the side of the head, not in the middle. Make it in the same way I said before, like keep the lines smooth as well. For the other side, expand the tick a little more because it's not in the middle. Yeah, so just like here I'm doing, copy it in the same way, or you can make a little changes as you want. For this part here, just make little mountains like we used to do when we were kids. Just make those little mountains but keep them smooth. For the hair on the outer part, don't make the hair stick to it. Make it a little puffed up so as to give it, like a little hairy look. IDK what to say. So yeah, just don't make the hair stick to his bald head, okay? Don't make it. He looks like he wants to kill me right now. Please give details to hair because that makes it look a little more lively. So I'm doing just that here. Now I'll just stay quiet so you can watch. He's looking more like a potato version of Levi. Now on to the last one. This one has less hair, so let's just draw his hairline. Don't forget that. So we're gonna draw the hair strands from the hairline. Make them look free, make them look rough, whatever you want. This hairstyle looks more like those military haircuts you see most of the time. The strands on this hair are not gonna be that much of puffed up, so they're gonna stick to the head more than the previous ones, obviously. Make them straight, not too stiffen, and yeah, this doesn't need much explanation, I guess. So yeah, just stick more with the hairline and draw straight strands. Make them curled, straight, whatever you want.
I'm just giving him some piercings to make him look, a little gangster vibe.
Look, I made him a princess. He's looking like a Pookie.
Great.
For the end, I'm just showing little ways you can draw hair. So you can just copy the hair strands from here, or you can make any combination from these ones. So yeah. Here's a little rendering process from that Levi's hairstyle, because it's Levi's hairstyle and I'm his biggest fan, so I am rendering it. Just watch it, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Now enjoy this process, and bye.